Hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making applesauce. I made this from apples from the farmer and these were all a little bit bruised and broken, but we can still make a delicious applesauce from them. So let's start.
Here are all the ingredients: apples, dark brown sugar, white sugar, cinnamon, lemon and ginger. First of all, peel your apples. I got these apples from the farmer. They weren't saleable because of all the bruises, but perfect for making applesauce. I cut out all the rotten bits and put them in a big bowl of water to prevent them from turning brown. Once all the apples are peeled, drain the water and put them on a medium heat, along with the brown sugar, white sugar and cinnamon. Cut a thumb-sized piece of ginger, peel the skin and grate it into the apple mixture. Grate the zest of a lemon and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Let this cook with the lid on until the apples become soft. Lastly, add some salt and cook the mixture until it's thick and creamy. Put it in a jar and enjoy!
And that's it. I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos of me. And let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And I see you in the next one.